Guys,
Hi
it's
guys.
the favorite cousins Shay and
Aubrey,
and we're going to be showing you our slime.
Hit that red button, hit that notification,
And turn on our bell and subscribe to our channel.
And
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's get started. So hi guys. The title of this video is I'm going to be showing our slime. It's this slime, the neon. It's squishy, fun.
So I made my slime so
Let me bring it up
sticky.
closer.
I made my
Neon.
slime so sticky.
They got the blue one, we got the blue one, we got the green one. Yeah.
It turns. It turns.
With my flip flops.
Yeah, in the dark it turns green.
With my flip flops, Shay.
So y'all wanna have
Glow in the dark. Neon slime. So I'm about to go see. It's glow in the dark.
it's glowing.
Yes, it's glowing in the dark. So comment
Oh,
down
mine's
below
glowing.
if you want to see us do how to make a bubble slime.
Okay, I go first, okay? I go first, y'all. Cause I'm already.
This how our slime came out.
Okay, y'all.
We made it and then put it in.
No. Oh, I made it cause I put lotion in it and nail polish and stuff. And that's how it made it like.
Like
Y'all wanna see? It's so stretchy.
yes, it's stretchy.
Wait, it's gonna come down. Whoa.
It's very stretchy.
Y'all want this slime?
You
No,
can
let me
go-
tell y'all. Y'all want this slime? Go to Walmart and go in the toys aisle and you can see it. I wanted that purple thing that squish out for the slime. I really wanted that one, but it was too late. I left Walmart. You could go to Walmart and it's blue, green, pink.
And it might be purple.
Yeah.
And it's orange too. So you can check out our YouTube channel. And
Check that.
the
Let me show you. Look,
cousins.
that's why I know what our video was.